guys, good evening. Oh my god, 2 more days to go and it's Christmas Day. And I don't feel it's Christmas. It's kind of boring, guys, especially that our place. I think we're gonna enter in the Tier 4 soon, unfortunately. But
unfortunately, definitely.
what we gonna do with that? I don't know. So I've been to my work and now we are going to the Tesco because we're gonna do a fruit shopping.
Extra bulate. Dito.
Di, count the fruits, di.
Ang fruits ba? Ito. Mura lang, hindi naman lang. O, 1.
Hindi kasi masarap yung ganyan na fruits.
Wala lang.
No, ito na pula, bilog.
Pares lang naman yun.
Hindi, mas masarap yung red.
Apo. Walang fruits dito. Strawberry. Pwede naman strawberry ah. Hindi pwede.
The apple, this one here, the pink apple de. Wait.
Ito? Sama, ito. Ano ba?
It's a type of melon. Take it.
Ano ba? Para saan ba ito?
Bilog nga, di ba?
Ito, hinog ito. Ito, hinog.
This one.
This one ka pa, parehas lang.
Okay, this two. Umalit na watermelon. How many melons we've got?
Ito lang gusto ko dyan, oh. Ito. Kumakain ka ba ito?
Oo.
Ito lang?
Oo. Bilangin mo na. Ilan na?
8. Ito pa. 8, 9. Kumakain ka ba nito?
Oo, pomegranate.
9, 10. Dalawa na lang.
9.
Ito, mangga. Fruits yan eh. Diba?
Okay, go ahead. Just pick up the green ones there at the back. Yung sa likod niya.
Puro hinog, same lang.
Just pick up one.
Puro hinog mo.
Kahit ano, basta yung medyo matino naman. My God, guys, it looks like we ran out of fruits already.
Ang dami.
Sa oranges tayo, Daddy.
Ha?
Sa orange.
Ito, orange, harapan.
Dito tayo sa kabila.
Gutom na, miss. Ito. Ha?
Guys, we're home. My God, look at our house. It's a mess at the moment, my goodness. Oh my God, Daddy, are you gonna eat all of that?
What do you think of me?
Thinking of you?
On diet?
My God, no wonder that you're getting bigger and bigger and fatter and fatter.
Fatter and fatter? Harry Potter?
Harry Potter. So, right. These are the vegetables. Oh, vegetables. It's a fruits, guys. Oh, your body is really big. It's huge. It's humongous, Daddy. You know what's humongous?
Humongous?
What's wrong with it?
Mongo.
Sustainable forest. Oh, is that a letter? Oh, it's not a letter, it's a bank statement. Okay. So, since today is Michael's last day, his workmate gave him a bag of Walker's Crisp and some chocolate with love letter. Can I read? Let's see.
Pogi eh. Pag pogi, ganyan talaga.
Wow, it says good luck.
Pogi
Oy,
problem.
masyado ka namang ano. Matawag dito?
Gorgeous supervisor.
Gorgeous supervisor. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. I think it's the right word is handsome. You're not a gay, daddy.
I am. That's why they call me.
You're gay.
Yes.
Michael, for the future, good luck in your new job. You will be missed. Thanks for being an awesome supervisor.
Mm. How awesome I am. See?
So guys, oh my god, we have got a fruit basket, but I think let's check what we have. Oh no, I use it as a towel thing. Never mind. I think we can choose this one.
So I'm diet. So only pancit.
Since you don't have work for how many days, you need to clean the house. Yeah.
Di wow.
Yeah. It's your job, when your wife
Your
is
day off for
working.
10 days. You didn't do anything.
Oh, I do.
Yes.
I do. You know what I did, Daddy? Making a mess in the house. Hey, that is a basura, you know?
What?
That one.
Hindi. I don't care.
You don't care.
Pasa ba?
I'm trying, but I doubt it. Guys, kain tayo. I like to eat my dinner while watching my favorite Korean drama. At the moment, I'm watching the Penthouse War in Life. It reminds me of the something World of Marriage. Parang ganun. It's more like money, kapangyarihan, ganun, gahom-gahom ba.